What resources do you use in your hospital to best manage your patients? Where do you or your colleagues go to find your hospital protocols? Where do you go to learn more about the disease you're treating? How do you find the most recent publications, technique videos, lectures? There are so many places to go to find information. Well, StayCurrent Spaces now allows hospitals to have a private space where they can keep all of their key hospital protocols, as well as their favorite other content, such as videos, articles, websites, and lectures, all in one place, in the palm of your hand. Let us know if your hospital or department would be interested in learning more about a space.